Okay, welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, we talked about AUD USD giving us a drop, and this is exactly what we've gotten. Now, is this drop over? Well, we are currently having a pullback. What we'll be expecting next is after this pullback is over, another drop will play out. So, what I'm trying to say is that AUD/USD for the 1st of February, we will be closing bearish. Expect a bearish move. That is what I want you guys to know. One of the reasons why I say that is that increase in federal fund rate means that the currency of that rate that the currency of that country which the interest rate is being increased will actually spike up. So we are expecting a bullish move on our dollar or our DXY. So once there is a bullish move on DXY, then any other pairs will be trading to our USD will definitely drop. So AUD to USD expects a bearish move. Now, before I continue, I want you guys to know that I also have a Patreon channel which I will be giving out, a trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade, right? Not just on this channel, I'll be doing random analysis on the forex markets, but on this my Patreon channel, trade that I believe we have high probability of hitting such trade is exactly what I want to be sharing. So if you are interested in it, check the link below in the comment section. Actually, get it right. So now back to this, we can see that AUD/USD will be expecting a drop, by the way. So maybe once this pullback is over, then expect a drop. So let's expect this drop to take out this lows that price, came to reject from. Let's see what this 1 hour time frame is actually seeing. We can see that first we are actually dropping, so price is now spiking up. So let's see if in case price will actually tap this level where price rejected from. We had a rejection at this level, then again a rejection at this level. Let's expect price to come to the same level before price eventually drops. So AUD/USD, we should expect a bearish move.